to the ThesparkleZboutique. Today I am coming to you with my glam living room tour. I have changed my style a lot over the years, and now I have this modern glam look. I'm really in love with it, and I have the living room tour coming to you today, but I have much more in store for you. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun. Okay, let's get to the tour.
Shine bright like a diamond.
I got this area right here in my front little foyer area, and I have this wall decor on each side. They used to be burgundy, but I painted them silver, and then Mod Podge and put silver glitter on top. Then I have a vase on each side. This one is broken. I still haven't done the other one yet. This is how it's supposed to look when I finish, but I will be doing a video on that. I promise you guys, all the videos I've been promising you are coming. And a little ottoman that I have here, so you can be able to sit down and put your shoes on or take your shoes off. Because a lot of people take their shoes off when they come in the house. And the walls are painted all different types of gray. If you watch my videos, you know I love Oops paint because it's really inexpensive. So I got different tones of gray, but I have the idea of making this wall right here black. And I'm nervous about that, so I figure I will come to you guys first and show you how the living room is now and show you the projects that I want to do in the living room so you can see the work in progress. Okay, we have these two wall mirrors that were in my bedroom on the nightstand. I have them here on top of this buffet, and two lamps that I got from OfferUp, and we have some candle holders from Home Goods, and this, I guess, neck mannequin from Target, and of course the two crystal bookends from Home Goods. I want to do something with these sides of these mirrors. I don't know if I want to paint them black, if I want to add bling to them. I don't know what I want to do. I'm thinking I want to make them black because this wall is the wall that I want to make black. And I want to redo this buffet and make it all black and do something with the hardware. I'm not sure. But as you can see, I was thinking about doing a video. Tell me if you guys want to see it. This is contact paper on this one here because I wanted to cover up these paint splashes and the damage from being in storage and also from moving. And I was going to do this with the contact paper until I get around to painting the buffet. So, and another thing I'm not going to detail now, but I painted these walls, but I wanted them to be temporary. So this is actually paintable wallpaper that was white that I painted. I have a special video coming up where I will get more into detail with that. And this is the wall that my sister gave me the idea of painting black, and I thought that would look sleek to have that wall black and keep these walls around gray. I think it will pop. And I'll come back with a video and show you guys how it turned out. I did replace my couch. I got an excellent deal from OfferUp. This couch was only 200 bucks. This lady had it in her one of those rooms where no one sit in, and the chair just sat down, looked pretty, and I made this a DIY. This is a lit up framed flower decor. I will leave that down below. And I added these crystals at the top. I don't want to leave it like that. I'm not sure how I wanted to do it, but I definitely want to add lights to it. It came with lights, but I took the lights out because I accidentally cut the light string and I couldn't figure out how to make it work. So once I untangled them, I just took the lights out, and I will be adding them back. And then because I need light in this room, because in this living room, I did put a chandelier up here, but the same chandelier that I had in the dining room right here, I had it hanging from here, but it was like the plug-in one. So I had to take the chain across the wall and down the wall, and I didn't like the way that looked. It just looked like it was doing too much. So back to this, and this is an ottoman that I have here with some books that I made. You dazzled them from the thrift store. What on top is this rhinestone case that I put my keys in. Had this throw from Burlington, a piece of fabric from Walmart, the sequin fabric that I made the curtains with that are on my windows. And we have these two white pillows from Lush Decor. I don't know where this little beaded one came from. I had it so long. And these two pillows here either came from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I'm not sure. And of course, this lamp, right, this towel crystal lamp came from Value City Furniture. And then we have this chase that I painted. And I have this throw from Burlington. The white pillow, no, it's a white pillow. Yeah, that's right, white pillow from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I can't remember which one. This gray one from Burlington Coat Factory. And this chair held up pretty good for me painting it. The spot that you see where the paint kind of came off is because this stuff was in storage for months and it was moved by movers. So I think it held up pretty good to have took the beating that it did. And this is the fireplace here with the same wallpaper from the third time from Glam and Brown. I took it down from the last place. Here's the fireplace, and here is the same wallpaper from Glam and Brown. And it's a damask print, and this is the third place it's been hung up. I took it down from my last place and put it right back up here with some liquid fabric starch, and I'm able to use it again. So that was definitely a great thing. The wallpaper is a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth the money because, like I said, this is my third place I've used it because it's a very excellent quality. And of course, we got these two wall decor pieces from Pier 1. And y'all, if you watch my videos before, you know I have two of these candelabras from Ephemera. And then these curtains here, the gray one with the tulle on the front are from Lush Decor. The sequin pieces in the middle are the ones that I made from the fabric from Walmart, the same one that I made the throw with it. And now I'm going to open these curtains a little bit so we can let some light in here. And I want to do something with this deck. I'm not sure yet. I know something with some type of mesh netting. I'm not exactly sure yet. And I haven't done anything with the kitchen yet. The dining room for another time. And then on this other side, I have my TV on the wall. And this is the new bar cart that I got from OfferUp. And that was, I think, $200, but I'm not going to open it because I'm going to do a bar cart tour later on. I got it from OfferUp and ended up getting a good friend out of it. Hey, Monte. So, and I have this here in my living room. And I have these two bar stools that came from Webfell.com. And just like the last place, I always like to put a pop of gold in the house. So I have the pop of gold here on the bar stools, pop of gold on this coffee table, which is another project that I want to do. If you remember, I had this glass table that had a big crack going down it. So I want to do something where I remove the nail. It just has marble contact paper on it. But I want to do something because it's wood under the glass, maybe some with resin or paint. I haven't decided yet. If you guys have any suggestions, put them down below. And that is pretty much everything. And I don't know if you noticed that this wall right here is also wallpaper that I painted over top that can come down. You see it's got these glittery specks in it. And again, I will be explaining in detail everything about the walls in here, but I just wanted to show you guys how everything looked before I went ahead and made some more changes. I have some ideas, and also I wouldn't mind having some feedback from you guys to see what you think, because with this wallpaper here on this wall, you can see these lines where the wallpaper is, and I don't like that. So I was thinking about painting this wall black And then here, wherever the line is, put stripes, black, going down. So I don't know, you're gonna see, but I figured this would be exciting and a great video to show you guys, to take some chances. And if you don't like it, I can always paint it back, but I wanted you guys to see what it looks like now that it's a work in progress with the multiple projects that I plan to do. Again, the buffet, the chair, the wall, these walls. Not sure what I'm doing with this crystal thing. I know I want to keep it here, but I don't know if I want to hang it differently or what I want to do with it. So we're going to stay posted with that. And I'm so excited. Oh, and I got this rug also from OfferUp. And I like the way it is now, but it's not exactly how I want it, because I'm looking around and I can see the projects that I want to do. But I want, again, for y'all to come with me down the journey, do it a little differently this time. And if y'all have any suggestions on anything you see in here, as far as the living room, apartment, anything, just let me know. And again, if anybody know any places to get a good deal on some velvet curtains or some tulle curtains, because I'm really trying to get rid of all these damask curtains, because I really think, since I got so much metallic and bling and stuff going on, I really want to tone down the curtains. But more to come on my channel. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.